Come on, Joey. You can come down the stairs. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, Joey. Oh, good girl. Joey's first walk down the stairs. Nice. How's that? No, not that way. Come on. We had the TV on again. Oh, first walk down the stairs. Yay! Come on, Joey. Good job. Oh, Maddie, don't be mean to her. She's just no. I'm so sick of their fighting.
Shipping and handling. Call 1-800-422-9265. Call now and try Beta Prostate for free. 1-800-422-9265. 1-800-422-9265. Thousands of dollars in free lunch have been handed out to KPOJ listeners in the past few months. It's common knowledge. If you're a member of the Loyal Listener Club, it could be lunch on us. Here's the way it works. We post 5 different names every weekday at 620kpoj.com. Check to see if you're listed. It may just be lunchtime for you. And we pick up the tab. Not a member of the Loyal Listener Club? Hey, join the party! Sign up now at 620kpoj.com.
Foundation is a non-profit organization that identifies parcels of private land critical to grizzly bear survival, and then protects that habitat through purchase or conservation agreements with owners. Vital Ground's dedication to preserving grizzly bear range goes well beyond saving a single species. When the land is wild enough for the grizzly, all other animals, plants, and fragile ecosystems are preserved as well. We can't turn
Everybody, how you go up the stairs? Come on, Joey. Matt, show everybody how you go up the stairs. Oh, you're getting fast. You are getting so fast. Oh, everybody's knocking again.
And I tell you, in this world, when people, lose their BlackBerry or their internet goes down or whatever,
There she goes.
to make Y2K look like nothing. Like absolutely nothing.
Where's Maddie?
Look at that. The beginning of this year.
Oh, you're going to play. Wait till she gets to the bottom of the stairs.